Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a file into your Notion template. Now, you're going to want to open your template and you're going to want to click inside your Notion template and make sure you can see the prompt where it says write something or press space for AI / for commands. I'm going to do my / and then I'm going to see all of these basic blocks and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go under media and you're going to go to the last option in that section where it says upload or embed with a link. We're going to click on that. And you have the option to upload from your personal computer, or you can also go to where it says embed link and you can paste a link from that file into this section. And it does say that it works with PDFs, Google Drive, Google Maps. There is, I think, unless you pay for upgraded plan with the Notion template, it is a 5 megabytes. Like it has to be smaller than that. And so I'm just going to upload a file from my computer. And so I'll go, I don't even know what I have. Maybe I'll just insert this little picture or something. Maybe this one. Okay, so I'm just going to open that. And once I do that, it's going to upload. And then you'll see it has the name of the document, the size of the document. If you want to go in and add a caption or a comment, anything like that. And once we click on this, we can see that our file has been inserted and our file will populate. And that is how you insert a file into your Notion template. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.